Have you ever spent the last few months polishing your product, perfecting every single thing, just to launch it on Product Hunt and get like 2 or 3 upvotes? I know, it sucks. And I've been there too. But recently I gave Product Hunt one more chance and I got a total of 10 upvotes. And you might say, wow, that's still a flop. And I totally agree. I got nowhere near the top, but still I got much more traffic than ever before. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 main reasons why product launches flop, and then I'm going to show you a better way to launch your products, which might even save your current launch. So to start, the issue might be the type of product that you sell, and there is this certain type that simply lacks the appeal and innovation that other products bring to the market. And it makes it challenging to gather attention and interest. And this type is extensions to existing software. You see, they simply cannot compete with the avalanche of standalone products. But let's say that your extension is stellar and it's totally game-changing for the original software, and yet your launch still flops. So where does the success hide? Well, it's simple, it's in the numbers. If you don't have a big enough audience that can help boost your product at the start, you are not going to gain much more traction. But there are some people with audiences that still fail. And why is that, you might ask? Well, the issue is that they did not market properly. So as you can see, launches are hard, so here are a few strategies that can make your launch easier. Alright, so let's assume the worst. Your product is an extension and it's not stellar at all, and you can still save it. And the way you can do that is by flooding all of your social channels with compelling content about it. Here are some examples. So you could make a video about a specific use case for your product, or even better, make 5 or 10 of them. You could also record a reel about some hidden tips and tricks or Easter eggs that normal people would not have discovered in your product, or you could make a post or a graphic with some unique features of your product. The choice is yours, but the more content you put out, the higher the chance of one of your content pieces going viral, and thus you getting more traffic. I hope that you can see it's a better way to launch, rather than spending tons of hours on the little things that might not make a huge change. You could be spending that time on a content campaign. So slowly build interest and reveal your offer step by step and promote on every single channel that you have. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok even, or the best way, a newsletter which has the highest conversion rate. And that way, with enough consistency, you will drive more traffic than ever before. I feel like if you're making product extensions like me, for example, Notion templates, you are better off just skipping Product Hunt all the way and focusing on promoting on social media only. You see, when I launched the freelance suite that I mentioned, the most amount of traffic didn't come from Product Hunt. So if you just make sure that you're noticed, you will get much more traffic. So online business can be complicated. There's a lot of topics to cover, like launches, for example, or digital products and SaaS and AI, and there's tons of trends happening right now. So that's why I launched my own newsletter called The Digital Highway, where you can learn more about stuff like this. So if you want to join, there is a link in the description, and I hope that you learned something today, and I will see you in the next one.